Hello everyone and welcome. Today we released our Q1 report for 2021. And I'm here in Stockholm with our President and CEO, Annica Bresky. And joining us via link from our Helsinki headquarters is our CFO, Seppo Parvi. So Annica, what are your comments on the first quarter?
I'm pleased. Our markets are recovering. We are delivering a solid result. And we can see a great improvement in our performance. Our operational EBIT is up compared to last quarter, excluding paper, it has doubled. Our sales has increased, so we are back on track, on our growth track, increasing our sales by 3% and excluding paper by 14%. So I have to say we have delivered a solid quarter.
Are there any parts of our business that stand out this quarter?
Well, I would actually say that all our core businesses are performing really well. Our wood product business has delivered an exceptional quarter with all-time high operational EBIT margins, driven primarily by a strong building solutions business and also classic sawn. Our packaging business is delivering very well, strong demand in all packaging grades, container boards, consumer board, and also corrugated boxes. For our biomaterials, we see the uptick of pulp prices kicking in, and the global pulp market is driven by the very strong recovery in the China market. And if we look at our forest business, that has been thriving. We have been able to supply the increased demand from all our businesses and have had excellent harvesting conditions. So all in all, our core businesses are very well on track. With the exception, of course, of our paper business, where we continue to see a challenging market environment.
Yes, our paper business continues to suffer from market decline, and earlier this week we announced a plan to close 2 of our mills. What are your comments on this, Annica?
Well, of course, this is the most difficult news any company can give. It is driven by an extremely challenging market environment. The paper business has been declining for the last 15 years, and last year we had an extreme decline in consumption of 18%. And over the years we have constantly adapted to these environments. But unfortunately both the mills in Kvarnsveden and Veitsiluoto, they have been unprofitable for quite some time. We have not found any good and viable options to make them profitable and competitive for the future. So unfortunately, as a last resort, we had to come out with these news. Of course, now we will focus on closing the co-determination and negotiations with our employee representatives before we can make a final decision. And after this change, we will continue supporting our customers in this transition and of course all our people locally at the mills.
Now let's turn to Helsinki headquarters and our CFO, Seppo Parvi. Seppo, how is our profit protection program developing?
Our profit protection program is moving ahead as planned, or actually a bit better even. We expect to reach our 400 million euros target already by end of the second quarter, current quarter this year. Program has been successfully implemented since 2019 and it has helped us to stay financially resilient during the pandemic.
Our Oulu conversion is now up and running. When will we start to benefit financially from this investment?
Well, the ramp up is moving ahead very well currently as we talk. And we expect to reach our design capacity already by end of the second quarter this year. And very good news is that we expect to reach positive EBITDA, break-even EBITDA already during the Q3 this year. That is 2 quarters ahead of the original forecast. And this is thanks to good market conditions in addition to the successful ramp-up.
Many thanks, Seppo. Annica, any last reflections from your side?
Well, we have delivered a solid quarter. Our markets are recovering and we are getting back on track to reach our new targets that we communicated last year. So I'm pleased with this quarter. Now our focus is to continue to execute on our strategy, growing our packaging business, our wood products business, and our biomaterials innovations. And our aim is, as always, to be able to supply renewable solutions and innovations to our customers. Many thanks for watching.